Look at this chart. Millions were made in the past 16 years. But most people watching this right now probably missed those first massive booms. Now, you see the volatility, you hear the noise, you might even feel like it's too late. But what if I told you that right now, you are looking at one of the most critical windows to buy Bitcoin, and that window is closing faster than you think? Stick around because this video cuts through the noise to show you the best time to buy Bitcoin and how to do it right. But before we talk about strategies or timing, you need conviction. Why? Because without truly understanding what Bitcoin is, its revolutionary nature, its scarcity, why it's the best money ever invented, you will be ruled by fear and FOMO. When Bitcoin inevitably crashes, and it will, if you don't have conviction, you'll freak out. You'll see the chart in red, think you've lost everything, and panic sell right before it recovers and hits new all-time highs. Believe me, most Bitcoiners went through this pain. But with conviction, you flip the script. You see those crashes not as red threats, but as green opportunities to accumulate. Understanding Bitcoin is your ultimate defense against making emotional, FOMO-driven mistakes. And with that essential foundation, let's look at how you can approach buying in this crucial time. The worst way to buy Bitcoin is to try and perfectly time the absolute bottom. You'll fail. The market is too unpredictable short term. Instead, for most people, the most reliable strategy is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. DCA is simple. You buy a fixed amount of Bitcoin at regular intervals, weekly, monthly, no matter the price. This averages your purchase cost over time, smoothing out the volatility, removing emotion. It ensures that you are consistently accumulating without the stress of guessing the perfect moment. While DCA is solid, you can sharpen it in urgent periods. If you're confident after a significant dip, you might slightly increase your regular buy. If it's skyrocketing towards potential tops, you might slightly decrease it. But the core principle remains: consistent accumulation is king over trying to be a day trading guru. Now here's where the real urgency comes in. You need to grasp this fundamental reality. This period right now might be your last realistic chance to accumulate Bitcoin under 1 million per coin. Think about it. We're only at 3% global adoption of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin isn't like any other asset. It's the only asset in the world with a perfectly scarce supply. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist, and the supply entering the market is slowing down drastically with each halving. As of 2025, a staggering 19.9 million coins are already mined, 95%. The next 10 years are the critical gold rush phase, your last best window to accumulate a meaningful amount before 99% of the total supply is out there and it becomes incredibly scarce. As more people adopt Bitcoin and demand grows against its fixed supply, the price will logically rise to 1 million, 5 million, $10 million and much higher. Buying Bitcoin today while it's still below 1 million will likely feel like buying land in Manhattan for pennies. Another crucial aspect of Bitcoin's price cycles is the halving event, when block mining rewards are cut in half every 4 years. These halvings have been followed by significant price increases, usually within the subsequent 12 to 18 months. Interestingly, Bitcoin's halving cycles also tend to line up with the 4-year US election cycle. This overlap is not just a coincidence. Typically, in a year following a halving, Bitcoin experiences a bull market. This often coincides with a period of economic optimism or policy changes after a new administration takes office. This creates a predictable pattern. Year 1, pre-halving, accumulation and stabilization. Year 2, halving year, price starts building momentum again. Year 3, post-halving, bull run, increased media attention, speculative hype. Year 4, correction or consolidation as the hype dies down. Underlying Bitcoin's 4-year cycles is a massive external force that drives its price: global M2 liquidity, the total amount of easily accessible money worldwide. This is directly controlled by central banks through money creation or printing. Historically, Bitcoin's price has shown an incredibly high 83% correlation with M2 liquidity. What's absolutely fascinating is that Bitcoin tends to follow changes in global M2 with an approximately 8 to 12 week lag. Understanding these interconnected cycles, the global M2 liquidity cycle, the halving cycle, and the election cycle, can give you a clearer picture when buying opportunities are likely to arise. On top of all of this though, it's worth repeating: time in the market is better than timing the market. Zoom out, look at the long-term chart. Despite brutal crashes, the trend is clear. We're in a critical accumulation phase. The real key is building your conviction in Bitcoin's fundamental value. That's your shield against fear and FOMO. Get educated, build conviction, start accumulating strategically. If you want to keep learning how to navigate the world of Bitcoin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.